y'all, Michael goes on Facebook or wherever he goes, and he finds these little things that he wants me to try to make. So it's kind of hard to get the information out of him properly. So I'm trying to do what he said to do, and then I looked to see if I could find somebody out there in the tech world that could be a little bit clearer. So what we have done, y'all, is we have taken one can of crescent rolls, and I did that one wrong. I've got to put it back together because we want to separate it at the perforated line, and then we want to wind up with 2 rectangles. So I'm layering first with whipped cream cheese, because like lasagna, you can't make lasagna without, cream cheese. Never, never, never. All right, and the next thing I'm going to do is put a little pizza sauce on each strip. Not too much, but just a little. And then I'm going to take my pepperoni and I'm going to just put it on one side of that strip so it can hang off, and it's going to look like a rose. Now over on this side, I had some breakfast sausage because we love sausage pizza. So I'm going to put those on the opposite side of the pepperoni. And let's see. I'm going to need my cheese. Eddie, let me know if I forget anything. Because this is the first time. All right, now I'm using some Parmesan cheese. And now I'm going to very gently roll this tightly. And look what we've got. Eddie's was prettier than mine, but that's because he graduated from SCAD and he's an artiste. But you get the thing, don't you?
Purdy, so purdy.
Purdy. Can't wait for them to bake up. All right. The important thing is that you make sure this strip got a little thinner than the others. So I really want to please Michael when he asked me to figure out how to make something that he thought sounded good. So it's like anything, the first time you make it, you're going to learn every time, maybe an easier way and a better way to make it look like a rose. The pepperoni, I would recommend not cooking it as high as the recipe calls for, which is 375. You definitely can't bake it that high in a commercial oven at 375. But at home, I would recommend 325 to maybe 350. But like I said, practice makes perfect. First time, make it by the directions. The second time, make it your own. Change anything you want to about it.
I kind of like crispy pepperoni.
With some crispy pepper be good. Not hot pepper. Now, see, Michael would want a jalapeno.
No, pepperoni. I like crispy pepperoni.
Oh, you like crispy pepperoni? Well, you're going to love this. Look at the cream cheese down there. The men are going to love this one, girls. They're going to love it. So tell them that Michael sent this recipe to y'all to cook for them. Michael's looking out for him. Michael's looking out for his own belly, y'all. But between the two of us and Eddie and Teresa, we all send y'all love and best dishes.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.